Hi friends, this time I'm taking you to a very special destination. Neem Karoli Baba Ashram. This is the place where we go for Samadhi. Jai Ho Maharaj Ji. I am a religious and spiritual person, and here is one of my favorite places. I believe in all religions and highly follow spirituality. I like to connect with what it is. Neem Karoli Baba or Neem Karoli Baba, he is one of my gurus that I follow. We fondly call him Maharaj Ji, and I got introduced to him through various YouTube videos, movies, and books that I have read. I believe in chanting meditation, and I used to listen to a lot of songs of Krishna Das, and he has been talking a lot about Maharaj Ji, which made me read a lot of things about him. Very soon my family, everybody got drawn towards him as a guru. We also follow Maharaj Ji's philosophy. What he says is love all, serve all, feed people, and everyone is equal. That is Sab Ek. It's a little late to wish, but Happy New Year everyone. Happy 2021. I hope God blesses all of us. So this is my first vlog of New Year, and it is a very special place for me. I thought आप सब लोगों को पता होना चाहिए that this ashram is very special to me. It is in Vrindavan, very near to Delhi, and we used to visit here quite a few times. दिल्ली से वृंदावन हम लोग काफ़ी बार जाते थे, और एक बार अचानक वी वर आउटसाइड दिस आश्रम, एंड दिस इज़ द समाधि आश्रम ऑफ महाराज जी. So continuing on my previous vlogs where I started from Jaipur and I reached Vrindavan, this is the reason I visited Vrindavan. Here is a look at evening ceremony in ashram. Before moving to Canada, I wanted to visit the ashram, and we stayed overnight in Vrindavan and visited here again in the morning. Every time I go here, it is very peaceful and it gives me so much positivity. Here is the room where Maharaj Ji used to live, which is now a meditation room. It has such positive and calm vibes. You have an option to stay here in these rooms also, that is very basic. And also there is this kitchen which offers you aloo puri.
All time favorite.
This is a souvenir shop from where I have picked books and various other items. I come here for simplicity, calmness, and also chanting, which is always in the atmosphere. And here is some chanting for you. So this is all about Vrindavan Ashram, but by chance I have visited 3 more ashrams and I will share with you ahead, so keep watching.
डैड को क्या हो गया डैड रिएक्शन एक्चुअली रिजल्ट्स आ रहे ना बोल के
महाराज जी का मेन आश्रम कैंची धाम है, which is in Uttarakhand. We were going to Binsar and we didn't even know we were crossing this ashram. So look at the surprise that we faced as soon as we were watching this temple from our car above. We were so happy we immediately took a U-turn and we were going to visit Kainchi Dham.
ये तो कोई और है
नीम करोली ये कैंची धाम आ गए
उत्तराखंड पहाड़ों के बीच में कैंची धाम वॉज रियली पीसफुल. जब मैंने यहाँ विजिट किया था तब फोटोग्राफी अंदर अलाउड नहीं थी, तो इतना ही कुछ मैंने कैप्चर किया, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी फॉन्ड मेमोरी फॉर मी. लास्ट ईयर हमने यहाँ जाने के काफ़ी प्लान बनाए, बट लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम लोग नहीं जा पाए थे. गिवन अ चांस इन फ्यूचर आई वुड लाइक टू रिविजिट हियर डेफिनेटली. We didn't even know that in Delhi, Mehrauli, there is another ashram of Maharaj Ji. तो एक दिन हमने यहाँ भी विजिट किया. I really found the Hanuman temple inside Maharaj Ji ashram very powerful. Ashram visit reminds me to love everybody, serve as much as I can, and also that everybody is equal. So we have reached the Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir, that's Neepkoli Baba Ashram. और ये है हिमाचल में महाराज जी का आश्रम. This temple is called as संकट मोचन हनुमान टेम्पल. एक दिन शिमला जाते हुए हम यहाँ पे भी रुके. Thank you for joining me in my ashram visit. It is important for you to see this side of me also. Given a chance, I want to visit other ashrams also and revisit these places. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it ahead. Thank you.